Welcome back to our AI series. In this video, we assume you've already set up Ollama and Open WebUI as covered in previous videos. Today, we'll show you how to integrate local AI services with the Z code editor and enable web search capabilities in Open WebUI. First, let's navigate to the Z website to download Z for our system. Z is one of my favorite editors because it offers a wide range of built-in capabilities while remaining incredibly fast and simple. This makes it the perfect tool for our demo. Once Z is installed, let's open the AI Assistant panel, confirm that it displays the model we installed earlier, and verify that Ollama is configured correctly. Now that we've confirmed Ollama is automatically configured for Z and the expected model is set, let's see if we can get it to tell us a joke. We've seen that Ollama can tell a joke. Now, let's try something a bit more challenging. Let's ask it to generate the boilerplate for an HTML site that uses one of my favorite projects, Tailwind CSS. Wow, look at that, it knocked that out quickly. Now let's ask the chat assistant to host this for us using an HTTP service. All right, it's asking us to use a bash command called http-server. Let's try it. Oopsies, it doesn't seem like that command exists. Let's ask it to try again. All right, it instructs us to use the command http server 9999. Let's try it out. It looks like the -p flag wasn't applied. It's running on port 8000 instead. Let's ask the assistant to help us again. Ugh, it failed again, but that's okay. I already know why. This is one of those challenges you might encounter when using a model with only 3 billion parameters. Anyway, I'm setting the port to 9999. Let's go check it out in a browser. Awesome, the page loaded as expected. Nice. Now, let's do something really cool. Open WebUI allows you to enable web search from a variety of providers. It uses the selected model to interpret the results and ideally provides you with a concise summary of your search query. Now let's open Open WebUI settings. Under Admin Settings, enable Web Search, and in the Web Search section, select DuckDuckGo as your search engine. Now, let's navigate back to the search view, select Web Search, and give it a try. I notice that the version of Tailwind CSS used on our website is outdated. Let's use the Web Search feature to find the latest version. It provided a near-correct answer, but it didn't catch that we need an inline include from a CDN. Let's try again with more context. It's still not exactly what we want, so we'll pause here. In our next video, we'll download a more capable model and try again to see if AI can help us figure this out. In summary, today we explored how to integrate and test Open WebUI with our local AI services. We navigated through setting up the environment, issuing commands, and even enabling web search to enhance our experience. Although we ran into a few challenges, these steps highlighted the potential of combining these tools. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, where we'll dive deeper with more capable models and explore additional features to take your AI experience to the next level.